Hi everyone, I'm Jodi and welcome to my channel. We're going to take a look at the trends for makeup for fall 2021 and then how we can modify those trends for our more mature skin. So we're going to get right to it. I don't know about you, but I love the fall and fall makeup is no different. So some of the trends that we're seeing, there's 6 of them. So the first one we're going to talk about is the foundation. Now, foundation is definitely taking a turn in the fall and it's a welcome turn since many of us haven't had to pick up a foundation brush for months. And so now the trend is really moving away from that matte, chalky, flat look to a more dewy, refreshed, or well-placed concealer look. So for more mature skin, a CC cream is definitely more achievable for this look. We saw this all over the Jason Wu fall fashion show. What I've done today is just used a CC cream and just illuminated it with a little bit of highlighter just on the outside to give it a little bit of that fresh look. But if you haven't picked up a foundation brush for a while, then this is certainly a welcome trend. The second trend is all about eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow trends are moving away from that darker, smoky eye and more into a lighter, natural, fresh, vibrant eye. So when you're looking to do eyeshadow, especially for a new version of the holiday glam, you're gonna wanna look at contrasting colors. So bright purples with golds, for example, or whatever's opposite each other on the color wheel, those really do help complement one another. And that's the eye that we're going for. So a bit more bright, awakened, a bit of shimmer. Now, there's a caution here for our more mature eyes. Shimmer is different than frosted, and the more glitter we get, the more our eyes are focused in that area. So what I did today, and there's some great eyeshadow palettes that are on the market, what I did is just put a little bit of glitter just on the inside to look on trend, but didn't glitter the whole eye, because the more we add that shimmer, it just seems to highlight the wrinkles that we have in our eyelids. So the more mature trend would be just a little bit of shimmer either right up below your brow bone and just inside your tear duct, or right inside that little corner of your inner eye. The next thing is eyeliner. So winged liner is ready to take a break for fall, and it's a well-placed break because on more mature skin, it's pretty difficult to get straight lines. So away from the dark and the black mascara and the winged liner and really go for more of a natural, lighter brown, darker brown if you have dark skin tone, a darker gray perhaps, but just staying away from the starker black and just lighten it up a little bit and don't wing it out as much. So for our more mature eyes, the tip there would be to stop your eyeliner just as you get to the corner and then just leave that last flick upward so that you're giving an illusion of up. But you don't want to wing your liner past the corner of your outer eye. The next trend really excited about is mascara. So we saw this all over the Victoria Beckham fall fashion show for 2021, and it's really more of a movement from that chunky, spidery type mascara to more of a natural, fresh, fluttery mascara look. There are some great false lashes that achieve this look, but there's also any type of a mascara, you just don't want it to get chunky. So one tip for that is to just put on a primer first and then put on a layer of your mascara. That way you don't have to put multiple layers of mascara, because that's when you start to get that chunkier look. So just a nice fluttery look. I used my L'Oreal that I typically will use for this look today. Really easy. And then I typically will go over my mascara with one coat of a waterproof mascara just so that I get the long wear out of it throughout the day and I don't get those little spidery lines underneath. The next trend is all about blush. So all over TikTok in the summer, we saw blush being used as blush and as highlighter and as concealer. Certainly I didn't see anybody for mature skin using this trend, but blush for the fall is really about a nice, natural, little bit of a blush to the cheeks. More of a cream blush is better for more mature skin. It just wears a little bit better, not as cakey, but a real light, think spring, but with fall colors for your blush. So real light and airy, just barely there, getting away from more of that harsher, stark look. And depending on what we're doing with masks in the fall, you know, you can still have a nice blush cover the upper part where your mask may not be covered. So you can still get a real nice, fresh look. And this is a great trend for more mature skin, because the more we can bring a little bit of rosiness to our cheeks and some color, that certainly gives it a more youthful, dewy appearance. And then last but not least is lip. lips. Now, Kylie Jenner made famous her lips for more of that matte look and just a tone or two darker than her natural skin color. We're definitely moving away from that from fall and doing more of a dewy, shimmery look and more of a brighter look to the lips. Not so bright that you're competing with your eyes, so choose one or the other. In the lip section, it's really going to be about brighter colors that are not sort of your skin tone times 2. So you can use any color that's sort of that brighter look to your lips, but definitely where you have a look that says you have a lip color on. But again, going away from the matte and the liquid lipsticks, which is really in our favor for more mature skin, because that dry look that you get from a matte lipstick or a liquid lipstick just does havoc on our lips. The trends for the fall, I think, are really in our favor. I hope each of these tips and tricks will help you adapt your look for fall. Hey, one last tip before you go. Hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section what your favorite fall trends are for 2021. I'd love to get your guys' thoughts and your opinions. Thanks.